In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up local delivery for your online store. This feature is a great way to offer customers more convenience and ensure a smoother shopping experience. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step so you can get this set up on your online store in no time. First, start by heading over to your home page. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the settings option. It's typically represented by a gear icon, an easy way to identify it. Click on Settings to access a myriad of features that you can configure to tailor your store's operation. Once you're in the settings, look for the option that says Shipping and Delivery, and click on it. This section is where all the logistics of your business are managed, including how you'll be delivering products to your customers. Next, it's time to set up the local delivery feature. As you scroll through the Shipping and Delivery settings, you will come across an option labeled Local Delivery. This is our primary focus today. Click on Setup to get started configuring this option. Setting up local delivery is crucial for businesses looking to provide a more personalized touch and faster delivery times to their nearby customers. You'll then need to turn on the location for this feature to work. This is usually just a toggle switch, easily identifiable, that allows your store to recognize where the local delivery services should be available. After that, you have a couple of choices for how you want to define the local delivery area. You can either set specific postal codes where your service will be available, or determine a delivery radius. Think about your capabilities and resources when making this decision. You want to offer local delivery in a way that's sustainable for your business. Perhaps start small and expand as needed. Now, we set the minimum order price. This is the smallest amount a customer needs to spend to qualify for local delivery. Setting a minimum ensures that your services are used efficiently and helps cover any associated delivery costs. Next, you'll decide on the delivery price itself. Make sure to consider your expenses and competitive prices when setting these figures. You'll also want to write a brief piece of information that will be shared with customers about the local delivery option. This could include timeframes, special instructions, or any other relevant info to make their experience clear and pleasant. Finally, don't forget to save all these changes before exiting. You should find a Save button at the bottom of the page. Click this to ensure all configurations are applied properly. It's a simple step, but without it, none of the customizations you've made will be activated. And there you have it. You've just set up local delivery for your store. By following these steps, you can now offer a convenient option to enhance your customers' shopping experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes setting up your local delivery easier and more effective.